Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand. Check out my sparkling clean pool. I'm using my Poolmate Hydro 3 cordless pool cleaner. Let me show you how it works. I wanted to give my Poolmate Hydro 3 a big challenge, so I poured in a whole cup of dirty dirt, mud, and sand that had been all dried up. Now check this out. I pour the whole thing in there. That's a lot. And it went down to the bottom of the pool and kind of made a real big muddy mess. Now, this is what I'm going to want my Hydro 3 cordless pool cleaner to clean. It's got to get up all of those particles. So I went to the side of the pool. It only weighs about 16 pounds, so it's easy to carry and put in your pool. I turned it on. You just powered it on just like that. It's a little button to press, and you put it in the pool. It gracefully sinks to the bottom of your pool, and then it immediately starts working. Once it knows it's in water, the powerful scrubbers go to work with those big tractor-like wheels. The Poolmate Hydro 3 is cordless. It has 2 turbo centrifugal pumps that are really energy efficient, and they are what's pulling up all that dirt you see into the Hydro 3 to vacuum and clean the bottom of your pool. The scrubbers on the front scrub the floor as it's picking up dirt in its path. It's an active brush that's going to scrub away stains and algae as it's working. It has a patented dual intake design that enhances its suction power, and that's why it can pick up all this heavy dirt. That's important. Pools can get dirty fast, and this was a big test on the Poolmate Hydro 3. The basket inside is a dual basket that filters very well the water, and therefore it brings the dirt inside of it and doesn't let it back out. For instant cleaning, those centrifugal pumps are generating really powerful suction. That's through a high-speed rotation of the impellers within them, and it really gives you a robust suction power. So it brings in all that water and all that dirt and filters out all the dirt within the filter baskets. The water flow rate is 84 gallons per minute. That's high volume to easily take out dirt and leaves and sand and fibers and hair from your pool floor and from your pool walls, giving you a sparkling clean result that invites you to take your next swim. And it's economical as it's working. There's a 20% energy savings. Poolmate wanted to make an environmentally friendly pool product, so it has lower power consumption with excellent results. And because of the 2 centrifugal pumps inside, they don't have any friction components. That means the motor's not going to fall apart and wear down because of friction, like you would have in a car motor. This is especially designed for a long-lasting cleaning power. Poolmate has done a lot of research and development and came up with this hydrograde technology that's patented, so it can intelligently detect it's a wall and climb it effortlessly, scrubbing and cleaning and drawing in the water in case there's any algae buildup and filtering that out. It also has a patented waterline shifting technology, and that means it's going to scrub your water line. So as your pool water evaporates or you add more water in, it's not going to leave like a bathtub ring around your pool because your Poolmate is going to clean that water line. That's really important, because the water lines can discolor and look so bad over time. You really need that scrubbed often. And every time you clean your pool with this Hydro 3, that water line will be getting scrubbed. Now, the path that it's cleaning on the bottom of your pool is created from an advanced resonance algorithm, which means it's going to be more efficient in a cleaning path to get all the surfaces without wasting time and repeating other areas. It's going to use a path that is efficient. And check out how those scrubbing brushes, as it's moving along the bottom of the pool, made of very durable rubber that works like a ballet in movement. It's flowing down with the traction of the tracks on your pool floor while scrubbing it at the same time. Poolmate has been in the pool cleaning business a very long time. They have developed pool cleaning products that give your family healthy pool water to swim in, with the suction power and the filtration systems to clean out the debris and all the impurities that happen within pool water. Inside is a dual filter basket for excellent, efficient filtration. It's about 1 gallon. It's 4.1 liters, and it's dual zone, so it's equipped with a great nylon mesh, which is going to capture and filter out all those fine impurities like dust or parasites or fiber fragments, let alone all this dirt that I threw in there. It'll get the algae and the pollen and the dander and suntan lotion oils and skin oils. It gets all of that out of your water, so you're swimming in pure, clean water. There's a built-in battery of 55 megahertz that provides a running time of 200 minutes. And that's over 3 hours of cleaning time. And that's going to give it A full cleaning cycle, even in the largest of pools, 100 square meters, is over 1,000 square feet of pool volume, which would be larger than a 20 by 40 pool. That's amazing. This pool is about half that size. And when the battery runs low, it will automatically return to the edge of the pool so you can fish it out with that hook. And when it climbs up a wall, it'll even climb up into a step. It wants to get every part of your pool clean. That was impressive. Even though it's a little wide for my entire steps, it'll still give it a go and give it its best shot to clean them. And scrubbing those tiles along the way. That was impressive. And when you're done cleaning, it'll come right to the side of the pool. And I put this hook on top of my leaf skimming hole to fish it out, to bring it to the surface because its cleaning had been done. I turned it off, and let me show you something. Here is the before and the after shots of all that dirt in my pool before and my beautifully clean pool after. Can you imagine it got all that? That was an amazing test to give it. I was thrilled with the results. When you order your Poolmate Hydro 3, it comes right to your door. This is the box mine came in. Here's a close-up of the box at my front door. I put it on my counter. The box was designed really nicely. It'd make a great gift for anyone with a pool. I opened the box, and here is how it came packaged. It came with great packaging materials so it wouldn't get damaged during shipping. It also came with all the directions and this hook. You'll need that to fish it out. And I put everything I got in the box right on top of my counter so you can see it well. You have the Poolmate Hydro 3 pool cleaner on the left, and then next to it is the greeting card and the instructions, and then the charging cable on the right, and the electrical cord in the back on the yellow mat. Here's the front of the Poolmate Hydro 3. Now look at that strong, durable rubber that scrubs your water line and your floor of the pool and the walls of the pool. And there's those heavy treads on those tractor-like wheels. It's like a Caterpillar tractor that moves it around your pool. Here's a side view. The orange is really pretty. What an attractive design. Here's the back. The back has scrubbers too. Here's a close-up of the scrubbers in the back. There's a handle on the top. That's where you lift it up to take the filter basket out. And here's a filter basket put right next to it so you can see what that looks like and how large that is. Now here is the power plug. I took out the rubber stopper, and here's the connector. It has a magnetic charging design, and that's going to fit right in to connect your power cord to charge your battery right into the back of your Poolmate Hydro 3. It comes with a 2-prong plug on the other end of it. Plug it into any normal North American power outlet of 120 volts and plugged in to your household outlet. It's only going to take 4 hours to fully charge. It has a built-in 5500 megahertz battery that provides a long running time. And when the power's on, there's a light indicator, and if it's red, that means it's charging, and green means fully charged. Isn't that great? How amazing. Click the link below to get your Poolmate Hydro 3 cordless pool cleaner. It's great. Now tonight I'm having a pool party. That's going to be a lot of fun with my sparkling clean pool. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is for a really beautiful pool for a heck of a lot of fun. The outro has that pool party I was talking about. Woohoo!
2, 1, go!
If you like this video, here's some more on other pool things that you might like and also great summer recipes. Just click over there